It all started with the foundations. Before expressions, I wanted these chibis to feel dynamic, so I drew them from multiple angles: front view, side profile, three-quarter view, and even tilted up and down. This gives us so much more to work with later. Think of it like building a toolkit. Once you have these basic head angles down, you can apply any emotion to them, which is incredibly powerful for storytelling. Once I had my angles, it was time for the real fun, layering in expressions. I took each angle and explored how the emotion changes when the head is turned or tilted. Anger from a three-quarter view feels more confrontational. A shy look downward with a tilted head feels more vulnerable. It's amazing how angle and expression work together to tell a deeper story without a single word. Now for the magic, breathing life into them. I picked the most dynamic angle and expression combos to animate. Here are some highlights. Angry, three-quarter view. You can really see the scrunched nose and steaming ear in this angle. The tilt adds so much attitude. It's like they're turning to confront someone. Look up, look down, tilted angles. These angles were made for these expressions. The perspective makes the longing or shyness feel real and immersive. Sneeze, front view, the perfect angle for the explosive achoo. All the force comes right at you. Front view is classic for big, impactful reactions. Crying, side profile, a classic for a reason. You see every single tear roll down the cheek in profile. It's the perfect angle for quiet, sad moments. And here's the coolest part. This isn't just a video to watch, it's a resource you can use. Feel free to pause and take screenshots of any angle or expression sheet to use as a reference for your own practice. I've also included clean shots of the key expression sheets in the video description for you to check out. These kinds of chibi expressions are super versatile. You can use them in your own projects, whether that's adding personality to a webtoon or manga or manhwa, sprucing up a presentation or video, creating custom sticker packs, or as a starting point for animation and design templates. The possibilities are pretty much endless. If you do use these designs as inspiration or a direct base in your work, a credit is always appreciated. It helps this channel grow. But the main goal is to help you create. I made this detailed expression sheet to be an all-in-one reference, to show not just what to draw, but how the fundamentals of angle and emotion combine, so you can build your own unique chibis. And for everyone who stayed until the end, thank you. As a little bonus, I've included a few extra chibi design variations and a quick montage of the animation tests after the outro. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive. If you found this useful, let me know in the comments. Would you like to see part 2, where we take these heads and design full-body chibi characters with costumes, props, and action poses? If that's something you want, just comment part 2, and I'll definitely make it happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more content like this, turning art into animation and building useful assets, please subscribe and hit the bell. It really helps. See you in the next one.